It's day number 16 of the Rolling Barrage. I left on day 4. So there's been a few days obviously in between. I decided that I was going to do the tail end of the ride. I was able to arrange some time off from work, take another week of vacation, and start from Airdrie here. So I'll hit these guys in Cochrane. They got a fuel stop there, and do a little video of them coming inbound to the gas station, and ride over and say hello. Been a few days. Hopefully in 11-12 days they haven't forgot who I am, and that they're happy to have me along for the tail end going off into Burnaby here. So my white Road Glide turned into a black Road Glide, kind of like my white one a little bit better, but this one's going to do just fine. She's in good shape. The guys, Dan there at Kane's Harley Davidson, taking care of me, making sure that I'm good to do this. What's very important to me to complete this mission. Unable to do the full pull, but I don't know what we call this, split pull maybe. I'm not sure if anyone's ever done this before, but it's not bad being the first. Anyway, in a few hours I'm going to meet these guys and roll off into Okotoks, which I'm very, very excited to do. Okotoks is one of the biggest supporters of this ride for the towns that we roll through. Obviously there's a lot of support all the way across the country, but some of the videos that I seen from Okotoks was over the top, and to be honest, it's one of the reasons that I push so hard with Nova Scotia, and to try to get a little bit more support out of Nova Scotia when I saw what Okotoks did. So anyway, TRB day 16. I'm Ian. I hutch ride on YouTube in recognition of my brother Clayton, who was the original hutch. So enjoy the ride this afternoon. So happy to be back with the group. A few days without him, I kind of felt empty inside. And as soon as I got back, just this sense of friendship and kinship. There's just something about the TRB and how it makes you feel. It's pretty special. Well, I've got another 3 days to enjoy it. So happy that I decided to come out. Well, this video is going to show this or not, but we've got to be about, I don't know, 3K anyway in a single file. So good support here on the day 16. This leg will be the Cochrane to Okotoks. So the word's getting out. The ride's being supported, and all of us that helped in our little part obviously worked hard to make it so, but without the riders there is no ride. So again, we can't thank the riders on the TRB enough, and yeah, enjoy the ride.
firefighters.